Tom? Can I talk to you for a while? Huh? What happened? I see you look very tired. Huh? Do you have any problem? Why you don't see in the camera? The camera is here. Hi, plop up here. See the camera is here. Grabe la. Agoy. Na, tanawa. Hala ka doon, nalagi flash Tom. Tanawa Tom. Gano'n naman yung flash Tom. Tom. Why you no massage me? Huh? Oh, so flip man laglag oy. Nasa man akong plam oy. So tired my Tom. Who is my plam? Who is my love oy? Uy. Love oy. Ha? Jaman. Kinsa man nag-away? Pam param pam param pam. Ay, kaisog sa nawang. Tring. This is our afternoon bonding. Yeah, while I'm having a coffee or tea. Huh? What? What? Ano man? Grabe la your face, oy. So angry face. Huh? Piyak man ni popcorn. Sus. Lambing man akong tumtum. Ngayon pa you're so sweet, Tom. Why you're so lambing, Apo? Why you're so sweet? Ha? Okay. Plum. So you see your video. So need to go to the salon again. Ha? Salon again, Tom. Sus kaswerte ni Tum. This one is the lucky cat. Ha? Lucky cat. My one and only baby cat. You're not a baby anymore, Tom. Ha? Grown up na ka, Tom. Okay, fine. Done the massage. Wait, already done the massage. Belum massage again lah. Not yet massage again. Massage properly What a nice feeling. Somebody massage you after a very long, tiring work day. I love you, Tum Tum. Sige na. Still, massage again. Bulo mo. Not yet, I'm still tired. Another spot. This is how you take care of me now. I'm very tired. Cleaning the house, cooking, doing laundry, and then taking care of my 6 dogs and 7 cats. So this is what I get after I've done my work. My Tum Tum. Where you go? Ah! Hoy! Come here na. Tum Tum, plum na here. Uy, that's all? Huh? Come here. Tum Tum, sige na. Plum na here. You belum finish massage. Come here. Come here. That's all, ma. Come.